Are you doing laundry?
Yes, doing laundry.
Is that a basket?
Yes, laundry basket.
Is it heavy?
Yes, quite heavy.
What is this?
Look at this.
Is that a stain?
Yes, big stain.
What happened here?
Not sure, honestly.
Is that chocolate?
Maybe, looks like.
Are you shocked?
Yes, very shocked.
Why laughing so much?
It's just funny.
Is this funny?
Yes, very funny.
Do you see it?
Yes, I see.
Is it big?
Yes, quite big.
When did this happen?
Maybe last week.
Did you notice before?
No, just now.
Are you upset?
A little, yes.
Is it ruined?
Maybe not, hopefully.
Can you wash it?
Yes, I'll try.
Will it come out?
Hopefully. Let's see.
Do you have detergent?
Yes, right there.
Is that detergent?
Yes, this bottle.
Do you use much?
Just a little.
Is this the machine?
Yes, washing machine.
Does it work well?
Yes, works great.
Do you load it?
Yes, loading now.
Is it full?
Almost. One more.
Should I add this?
Yes, add it.
Is water hot?
No, warm water.
Is warm water better?
Yes, for stains.
Do you separate colors?
Yes, always separate.
Why separate colors?
Colors can bleed.
Is that important?
Yes, very important.
Do you know this?
Yes, learned before.
Who taught you?
My mom taught.
Is mom good teacher?
Yes, very patient.
Do you listen well?
Mostly, yes, sometimes.
Is that true?
Yes, honestly true.
Are you still laughing?
Yes, still laughing.
Stop laughing, please.
Okay, sorry.
Is this serious?
Kind of, yes.
Will stain disappear?
Hopefully. We'll see.
Do you feel worried?
A little, honestly.
Should we try now?
Yes, let's try.
What do we do?
Rub some detergent.
Like this?
Yes, exactly that.
Is it working?
Maybe. Hard tell.
Do you see change?
A little, maybe?
Should we wash now?
Yes, let's wash.
Do you press start?
Yes, pressing now.
Is it starting?
Yes, it started.
How long it takes?
About 1 hour.
Is 1 hour long?
No, quite normal.
What should we do?
Wait and relax.
Can we watch TV?
Yes, good idea.
Are you calmer now?
Yes, feeling better.
Do you still worry?
A little, honestly.
It will be fine.
Thanks, I hope.
Do you trust me?
Yes, I do.
Is that shirt special?
Yes, quite special.
Why is it special?
Gift from friend.
Do you love it?
Yes, very much.
Will you be careful?
Yes, more careful.
Is this a lesson?
Yes, good lesson.
What did you learn?
Check pockets, always.
Was there something?
Yes, a pen.
Is that the stain?
Yes, that's it.
A pen did this?
Yes, exactly that.
That makes sense.
Yes, mystery solved.
Are you relieved?
Yes, very relieved.
Do you feel better?
Yes, much better.
Will you check pockets?
Yes, always now.
Is that smart?
Yes, very smart.
Do you check often?
Now, yes, always.
Did you learn today?
Yes, learned much.
Is the machine done?
Almost, few minutes.
Are you excited?
Yes, quite excited.
Will stain be gone?
Hopefully, let's check.
Is it beeping?
Yes, it's done.
Let's check now.
Yes, opening it.
Do you see it? Look, it's gone. Really? It's gone?
Yes, completely gone.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Is that amazing?
Yes, truly amazing.
Do you feel relieved?
Yes, so relieved.
Was I right?
Yes, you were.
Do you thank me?
Yes, thank you.
Is teamwork great?
Yes, teamwork great.
Do you like laundry?
Yes, a little.
Is it fun now?
Yes, kind of.
Will you do again?
Yes, every week.
Is that routine?
Yes, weekly routine.
Do you fold clothes?
Yes, right after.
Is folding tedious?
A little, honestly.
Do you help fold?
Yes, always help.
Is helping nice?
Yes, very nice.
Are we done?
Yes, all done.
Is that shirt clean?
Yes, spotless clean.
Are you proud?
Yes, very proud.
Was today fun?
Yes, very fun.
Thanks for helping.
Anytime, my friend.
Let's celebrate now.
Yes, let's celebrate.